Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Tyler Hill here at MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this gorgeous 2025 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. It's got the beautiful quantum blue, solid blue hull. You can see the gorgeous windlass with stainless steel anchor, docking lights. This unit has shore power so you can keep the batteries charged and run the grill. Beautiful hardtop on the boat. What's really unique about this girl is she's got the big, beautiful V10 400s hanging on the back of her. And that's a new option for this year. Boat's an absolute animal with these. It ran great with the twin 300s, but it's really special with the V10s with all that torque. The size of the props this thing's spinning. Underwater lights. This has the automatic trim tab system on it. Sea deck in the back of the boat here. This has got quiet ride technology. Sea Ray's done everything in their power with all their engineering skills to keep this thing quiet, vibration free. One of the smoothest operating boats on the market you'll find. Gorgeous interior layout. Optional sunshade and off the hardtop with wakeboard attachment. Really nice, easy walk through. Your battery switches are in a perfect place. Freshwater wash down right here. You even have a step to board the boat from the side that deploys when you need it to. Big U-shaped seating in the back here. Wet bar station with the optional barbecue grill. This runs off an inverter system. And you also have a nice refrigerator underneath here. Just seating everywhere. The port side companion seat here swivels 180 degrees so you can enjoy entertaining with everyone and conversing with everybody. Gorgeous digital dash with joystick piloting. Two 12-inch Simrads, stainless steel windshield cap, premium upgraded Fusion stereo system. And you have a really nice enclosed head. We have the bow filler cushions in here right now, but it does have a vacuum flush toilet, a sink in here. You can change in here if you want to. All lit and just nicely decored. You have a block off door here, and behind that is your electrical panel. Gorgeous bow seating area with armrests, of course. Optional table up here. Access to your windlass with hand controls, as well as another freshwater wash down. The hardtop is so beautiful on this boat. It's one of the best looking boats Sea Ray's ever built, and arguably one of the most popular models. You actually have a manually opening sunroof as well. Forgot to mention, nice big table back here. It stores away under the electric hatch in the back. It is a self-bailing cockpit as well. You see the huge scuppers, so no water going into your bilge anymore. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. We're your local Sea Ray dealer here in South Florida. This was a 2025 Sea Ray 310 SLX, again, with the optional V10 400s. Give us a call today. Thanks for watching.